Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Kind of real sunny day out there. However, it's still kind of haziness, as you can see from that, I think, left over some of that Saharan dust cloud. But no less, nice day, beautiful day, and you can see all the seaweed out there from the wind blowing in. But this is not an ocean report or a beach report, so let me move on. I always like to open with that, though, because it's nice to see sunshine and people enjoying themselves and nice clean water. Let's take a look at today's precious metal prices. Up, 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 up. Didn't have my coin yesterday to do a toss. However, until I find it, I'm going to suspend my coin toss guesses on a daily basis. So let's just look at what happened here again. 1781, world market still open. New York closed at 1793. Wow, wow, wow. We're approaching that $1,800 mark. These little $25 increments I'm talking about seem to be speeding up a little bit more right now. So, we were at 1770 last week, most of the week in that 1770 range early on. And it seems to have started to make that $25 jump again to 1,800 now. The low today, 1767, the high is 1793. And again, wow, almost nearing the $1,800 mark, which is pretty impressive, which means that we're close to nearing that all-time high of gold from 2011, I think, or 12, forgive me, forget exactly when it was a high. And silver kind of going up too, same way. These 50-cent increments, we were at $17.50 last week or so. Seemed to make a 50-cent climb, and again, another 25 cents here. So silver is definitely playing catch-up with gold. The ratio, again, below that 100 to 1, as you can tell. Let's take a look. The low is 1780 and the high 1826. That's a heck of a swing there, man. That's a 50-cent, we're nearing a 50-cent swing there. So as I said, silver has these big swings. You got to have a strong stomach if you're day trading this stuff, which I hope you're not. I don't even try to do that, obviously. And same thing with gold, kind of. But bigger swings than silver percentage-wise. However, I think silver has a lot more to go. I mean, silver's high was, what, $50 an ounce twice already, or nearing 50 in 2012 again? And then in 1980, it was $50 an ounce. So twice we've already seen $50 an ounce. It's 18 right now. Even if silver were to double and hit 36 bucks an ounce, it's still not near its all-time high that it's hit twice. However, oddly enough, if you look at gold, it's at 1781 right now. Gold's high was a 1900 change or something like that. The all-time high for gold, and that was 2011, 2012, I believe. I'll find out later. I can look it up now, but we won't. It is nearing its all-time high. So gold is within, what, a couple $100 of its all-time high. Silver is not even near, even if it doubled up near its all-time high. I think silver has a lot of catch-up, and I think silver has a lot of potential because it should play catch-up, and the ratio should come down. And silver, if gold is going to hit its all-time high, I'm presuming that sometimes silver will do as well. What's platinum doing? Undervalued, I think. I don't know platinum as well as I know silver, and we sell a lot less platinum than we do silver. However, I think platinum, like silver, way undervalued. Low at 809, a high at 832. Again, these little $25 increments, both with gold and silver, it seems. And palladium, up 40 bucks. I sell so little palladium, don't really talk about it much. Again, we sell so little of it, and it's so volatile at times, too. However, it's kind of hanging on to the $1,800, $1,900 level. And comparing New York, it looks like that the markets are a little bit off of what New York, the aftermarkets are. However, we may maintain these levels, back off a little bit tomorrow, or gain some. And that's not telling you much, but overall, we're in a bull market, so I don't think you're going to see any big declines unless you see some kind of black swan event or some kind of large amount of paper selling. And when you do see that, it won't last long. Just buy the dips if you have the chance. What's happening in the world today, I always like to say, like with Wall Street Journal, because black swan events or things that may tell you that you're going to see an up day in metals or something like that. Good to watch. For example, Fauci, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce his name, my apology, is warning of a potential 100,000 virus cases per day. Well, this could have an effect on gold very well because the longer they delay opening this economy, the more they're going to have to bail out businesses, corporations, and people. What does bailouts mean to gold owners and silver owners? Well, bailouts mean that they're going to print a hell of a lot more money because they have to. And that just decreases the value of money and increases the power of gold and silver. So it is a positive thing for people that have gold and silver. Not a good thing for people holding on to dollars, and really not a good thing for the country either. Dow Jones, 25,000 points, just kind of sitting there. I don't know what's happening. A little bit up, a little bit down. They're certainly not in a bull market, and they certainly don't seem to be in a bear market. I just think they're kind of in a nowhere market. However, I don't think that's going to last long, and I can't see. Here I'm predicting stock markets. Boy, that's terrible. Let me stop right here because that is not my expertise, but you can kind of see trends here, and I think across the board, even if you listen to a lot of financial advisors, they're not sure either. And that's kind of showing on the line here that it's just been going sideways for a little while now. I don't think anyone's sure about anything, and you can't blame them, but we are sure that gold and silver prices will continue to climb. I'm certain of that. Let's take a look here at, I like ZH. Some people hate ZH. You got to know how to look at the stuff that's worthy and throw out the stuff that's not, and take what you need. Peter Schiff does some of the articles that they take from Peter Schiff. And Schiff has kind of always been a bull market and always, or a major bull on gold. And I can see why. And he's been off, as a couple of friends of mine have saying, as far as his timing. And yeah, timing is important. I would agree with that. However, I can't disagree with his estimate that gold could see $4,000. And Peter Schiff's a really smart man. He ran for Congress at one time, I think, as well. That doesn't make him smart, trust me, but he is a smart man, and as far as gold and international markets goes, he knows his stuff. And in fact, I'm looking at this, Mr. Schiff did not even say that he thinks gold is heading toward 4,000. This is according to an analysis by U.S. Global CEO Frank Holmes. U.S. Global is a major corporation. Holmes recently appeared on Kitco and showed how the price of gold has historically correlated with the expansion of Federal Reserve balance sheet. Well, isn't that what we've been talking about for the last 2 months? The expansion of the balance sheet, printing money. Exactly. So it's funny, they're kind of behind what we've been talking about for a few months. And, well, they're predicting a much higher gold price. And given the historical trends, that's extremely bullish for gold. Well, that's what we've been saying for a while. Didn't need you guys to tell us that. Well, maybe we did. So anyway, this is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals with our daily gold and silver and palladium update, platinum update as well. Call us anytime at 954-493-8811. We're happy to get you in here, to let you take a look at the products, ask questions, and educate you, because there is no better consumer and no better customer than an educated customer, at least for us. So again, feel free to call us anytime between 10 and 4, Mondays through Fridays at 954-493-8811. I really appreciate you watching these videos and these daily updates. I'll do my best to help you kind of make a decision or educate you more so you can make a better decision, because I really don't want to make decisions for you. I just want to give you the tools that can help you make a better decision. Again, thanks for watching. This is Brian Kuzmar, Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. Talk to you tomorrow, and we'll see what prices did tomorrow.